Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the second match in our semi-finals. The scores are Titchfield High on 25 points, St. Jago High on 23. Now you'll have noticed there's a slight change to the scores. Titchfield High lost 2 points during the break. The answer to the film question, who directed the 2019 film The Irishman, Martin Scorsese, came right after the bell. So they lost that point. And then what was the coalition headed by Germany, Italy, and Japan called? The answer, the Axis, came, which is the plural of Axis, and indeed not correct. So Titchfield lost those 2 points. St. Jago picked up a point. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Bad things na have no owner is what I have on my sheet, but bad things na have owner is the same difference. So with that, we get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. With that, we begin with Bible knowledge. In giving the interpretation of the parable of the wheat and tares, who did Jesus say, St. Jago High?
The enemy.
The angels, who were the reapers, is what we wanted to know. Biology. Which complex carbohydrate consists of a straight chain of glucose molecules bound to their neighbors by oxygen molecules? Amylose. English language, give us 7-letter words starting with S, which means to conduct oneself with an arrogant air.
Next one.
Swagger. Local affairs, a visual one. Teams, look on the screen. Identify this person, please. Titchfield High.
Donald Tapia.
Donald Tapia.
U.S. Ambassador to Jamaica, correct. Chemistry. What is the specific name of the method used to separate a mixture of 2 or more liquids with different boiling? St. Jago High.
Fractional distillation.
Fractional distillation.
Correct. Music and Audio 1 teams, listen to the clip. Give the title of this song, please.
Can't make the same mistake this time.
We don't need another hero, Tina Turner. General knowledge. What portmanteau name is given to the month of the year during which men are encouraged to grow their mustache in aid of prostate and testicular cancer charities? Movember. Movember. Spanish. What is the Spanish idiom which means little by little? St. Jago High.
Poco a poco.
Poco a poco is correct. Geography. The most populous city in Ecuador lies just south of St. Jago High.
Guayaquil.
Correct. Theater and cinema of visual 1 teams. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Titchfield.
Adam Driver.
That's right. Information technology. What is the specific name for the software systems designed to service real-time applications within a short guaranteed time frame? Real-time operating system. History. What was the general name often used to refer to the original inhabitants of Australia? St. Jago High.
Aborigines.
Aborigines.
That's right. Mathematics. The circumference of a circle is 36 meters. What is the radius of the circle to the nearest whole number? That's 6 centimeters. Physics. The measured inside diameter of a cylinder is 3.42 centimeters, and that of the outside diameter is 4.61 centimeters. What is the thickness of the cylinder wall? 0.595 centimeters. Sports. A visual. Look at the screen. Identify this person, please. St. Jago High.
Courtney Francis.
Courtney Francis.
CEO of Jamaica Cricket Association. That's right. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Every jackass Titchfield.
Every jackass say.
One level.
Incorrect. Every jackass say him could be a race horse. French. What is the reflexive verb which means to have fun? S'amuser. Literature. Ras the Exhorter and Brother Jack are characters in which American novel? Invisible Man. Art. What is the name for the technique that takes into account the ways that fog, smoke, and airborne particles change the appearance of objects at a distance? Aerial perspective. Bible knowledge. In the parable of the sower, Jesus said the seed fell on how many types of grounds? Titchfield.
4.
4 is correct. I believe the buzz came right on the bell. Judges, that's up to you. That is the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Titchfield High on 29 points, St. Jago High on 31. We will double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.